Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to review the stocks which we have discussed on yesterday and see how it has performed for today. Okay, whether our study was really helpful for us, we will go through it. Okay, the first one is KPI green. Okay, so you can see this dashed line or dotted curve, right? The blue, sky blue one. So this was the one we have discussed yesterday. When we were discussing, we clearly said like it has formed a rounding bottom, correct? We call as a cup. Again, it has formed a small cup. This is called as cup and handle pattern. Okay, it looks like a teacup, right? It's a cup and it is a handle here, correct? So when it has formed, I clearly told like, and I saw this pattern has broken with a huge green candle comparatively the prior small candles, right? So from there we took our position around like to 518 levels and we booked the profit somewhere here that we have pretty much discussed on yesterday. This was yesterday's discussion, correct? I'm just rewinding here. So after that it surged a 1% again, it started corrected, right? So when you see this correction is happening somewhere before the market closure hour around like 3 310, I bought the stock here considering like on the same day yesterday itself I can make one more percentage, but till end of the market closing hour I could not see the stock was surging, so I just wanted to close my position because even though I know like the pattern breakout has happened, the retracement is really happened, but the problem yesterday why I closed my position was because of the Trump tariff plan. Okay, if something goes against the expectation, then definitely there will be a correction from Nifty 50 side. So following that, the stock also will get corrected. For safe reason, I just exited from the position, right? So what do you think today it has formed or it has performed? Any guess? Yeah, as we expected, the stock has surged like anything. Just see it here from morning 9:15 onwards. You can see the huge green candle, right? And the stock was surged from the level of yeah. Yesterday's closure level was 518, 519 dot change. Okay, 519.5, and it surged up to 33. Okay, so here it's a 2%. Then there was a small correction again. Okay, then it got consolidated in the same range. Okay, now by end of the day, it closed above yesterday's high. Okay, you can see here it closed at the level of 535. So this is bullish as we had discussed yesterday or even the last uh, weekly analysis also. We have clearly mentioned this stock shows some bullishness, energy sector stocks. Okay, now I'm moving to day wise chart. You can see here. Okay, even here yesterday when we were discussing the stock, I clearly told like it took support on 20 EMA day before the day, correct? The stock corrected, it came up to this moving average level, which was around like a 501.5 or 502. Then some pullback has happened as a day before the day, correct? So with that said, then I told you clearly yesterday like this stock shown some reversal or pullback from here, considering 20 EMA as a good support. Then yesterday it trended and it surged really, and the profit booking has happened. Then the stock got corrected. Then it formed the cup and handle. Then you know the rest, right? So today, yeah, you can see it. It has made a huge green candle today. The volume also good. It is close to yesterday's volume. Okay, so in nutshell, you can see it. The stock really. You can see the Davis chart also, it has formed a cup here, correct, and handle here. So when it breaks this pattern, definitely we can expect a similar kind of surge in forthcoming days. It may happen by this week, only one day is there, tomorrow. Otherwise next week it is kind of a stock in should be in our watch list to see how the stock is going to perform. Otherwise it's beautifully forming again the Davis chart also, a cup and handle formation is done by today. So we have to see whether this pattern is going to break out by tomorrow or next week, and based on that Nifty 50 is a performance, the stock also will perform accordingly. Okay, this is with KPI green. The next one is Arcade. Similar thing. Arcade also we have discussed during the weekly analysis, even the day trade analysis as well. So yesterday we clearly said we have traded this stock, and yeah, we bought. Basically, we have created some position as I told you, right? But the stock has corrected furthermore. Say half percentage or more than during the market closure hour. I don't want to close my position because I was kind of a minus 0.5 percentage in negative, right? So again, the same story. So today, what happened? You can see it clearly. Okay, when the market opened, the first candle itself it gave us 1 percentage. Okay, then I since the candle was huge, I mean large green candle, so I just waited for the candle to this resistance level. The earlier in my mind said was 204.8. The reason behind is you can see the prior swing high was this one, 204.8. Okay, so I was expecting this level and after a half an hour they started correcting. Okay, then I was in kind of an FOMO whether I have missed this opportunity to sell at 1.1% or something. After some small correction, then again the stock after a half an hour it gave a nice a reversal. Okay, so there was a surge consolidation again, the surge. So somewhere here I booked my profit at 204.4. That was the level I set my target. It got clicked and I made 1.4 percentage profit. Then the stock started correcting. When I saw this correction again, I bought the stock exactly this level. Okay, 200.1. Okay, so then again I bought the stock exactly the stock. The price came up to that level. I bought it. Then it surged up to 1 percentage or 1.1 precisely. From there was a correction. Okay, I exactly set my level earlier this week. You are seeing it right exactly here. 202.3. Okay, then seeing this green candles surge, then I thought okay it will go up to this level. The Fibonacci is 38 percentage level, which was 202.8 something. Okay, but unfortunately the stock started correcting again. So I thought okay, this correction was with respect to Nifty 50. Okay, and what happened after this correction, I was about to go outside. So what I did, I set my percentage to same level. After half an hour the target got hit, even it surged up to 2.2 percentage. I missed the surge. Okay, then again it started correcting. This time again I wanted to set the level to same level, but it came up to this level 201, but I could not buy the stock. Okay, I was in dilemma. So today it has made kind of a beautiful yeah, W pattern, right? You can see this one and this one. So double bottom. Okay, now it could not break this pattern. I thought okay last 10 minutes it will break the pattern, because today is a Thursday, and we have to learn like during the Thursday it's a weekly expiry. So weekly expiry you can expect the market volatility. So when there is an volatility, always you will get an opportunity for scalping. Okay, so the scalping was the trade I did today, and really it was good. I always like doing trading on the volatility. Okay, basically you will get an opportunity for scalp. Okay, so yes, a couple of trades within the same stock, and yeah, we made 2 or 2.1 or 2.2 percentage profit today. Okay, with this arcade. So yeah, I closed my position and I was just waiting, but I could not see the stock is coming to my level. Even I set my level to 201 last 5 or 10 minutes, but I could not see the stock is coming to the level. So tomorrow I will see how the stock is going to behave, or otherwise in nutshell the stock is trading in this channel. We can see it right, this top horizontal line and this bottom horizontal line. So it is respecting the support and resistance. It is trading. So once it gives a breakout, then definitely it will surge. Okay, as per technical. Okay, so now moving to a day wise chart, you can see this is what we were keep on discussing. It has formed a W pattern here. Then on the other day it gave a broke out. Okay, this pretty much we have discussed. If you have watched my prior weekly analysis video, definitely you come to know what I'm trying to say here. Then after that I clearly said there should be a profit booking when it hits or gives a breakout, and moreover it was trading at all time high. So the profit booking was happened last 2 days, and today it starts showing the reversal. So I'm pretty much bullish about the stock, but it doesn't mean that you also have that same opinion. You have to do your own analysis. It's my perspective. So yeah, based on my experience. So even though if it takes a U-turn, then definitely I know how to manage the risk. So yeah, please do your own analysis before you plan for any trade from your side. Okay, otherwise the stock looks bullish for me. I have to wait and watch how the stock is going to behave. Okay, if it surges above as per the technical, then in forthcoming weeks we can expect the momentum. Having said that, there is no guarantee. When I say definite, yeah, based on the technicals, anything can happen. If the market comes with a negative news, then definitely stock also will get corrected. Okay, so that time if it breaks the technical pattern, then it will becomes bearish. Okay, then again we have to look for other technical pattern. So it may happen, it may not happen, but technically by a typical technical analysis, this is what it looks like. The next one is Indo-Borax. So this one I when it surged, right? So yesterday also we have discussed from this channel pattern breakout. It gave a pattern breakout yesterday, and it gave a huge green candle with a huge volume. And I said when it broke the pattern and closed above, or basically the sustained that pattern breakout, then definitely two option. One is the next following day it will keep on surge, or otherwise it will correct, it will try to retrace to that level, the breakout level. Then again it start surging if everything is good with the stock, right? So yesterday's level was yeah somewhere here. So today what happened, let me move this. You can see the similar thing what we had discussed has happened. The profit booking came, it was kind of consolidating, I would say. Yeah, the yes, it came up to the pattern breakout expected level. Okay, then yeah, we have to wait and watch. So how this stock is going to behave, whether it is going to correct further. Maybe it may come up to 220 levels, that what we have discussed. Okay, then it will show some reversal or not. We have to wait and watch. Let's move on to david chart. You can see this one. This was the channel I was talking about. Okay, let me draw for you once again. Okay, if you recall, this was the channel I was talking yesterday. Correct, this was the channel I was talking yesterday, and it gave a broke out, and moreover you can see the cup formation here. This one I'm talking about. Let me draw it once again for you. Okay, so this cup formation. Okay, this cup formation, within that there is a channel. The breakout has happened yesterday with a huge volume. Okay, let me select the tool. Yeah, so this was the one we are talking about, the huge green candle with a huge volume. Then we said that it will come and retest this breakout level. So exactly it came today. The retracement happened. You can see the wick here. So this small wick, it touched the pattern. So tomorrow we need to see whether this stock is going to surge upwards. Okay, and if it is gonna surge upwards, then definitely yeah, the potential will be there. Okay, yeah, then we will discuss on tomorrow if how the stock is going to perform on tomorrow. Okay, so with that said, that's pretty much about today's stock analysis. Yeah, we didn't analyze nifty 50, right? Okay, sorry, I could not do a review. Okay, so here today nifty 50 was keep on correcting. Okay, this correction maybe I'm not pretty much sure. I could not watch today's news, market news. So what we can see from this red candle is, few days back it has formed a hammer, right? This hammer candle has formed. Then there was kind of an, again, consolidation with a positive bias couple of days. Then yesterday it got corrected. This is due to Trump's tariff. Today also I think the same news, but it could not break that hammer candle slow. Okay, the hammer candle slow was this one. Okay, somewhere 25,330 levels, but today it could not come to the level. Yeah, so we have to wait and watch how it's going to behave. If it breaks, then definitely it will take support on 20 EMA. The 20 EMA is somewhere around 25,000 to 90 levels. Okay. Okay, if it breaks this 20 EMA, technically, see whatever I say, you have to see it in a technical lens. Okay, so technically, I'm talking about here. No any stock tips or levels. Okay, specific levels. So if it breaks this 20 EMA levels, okay, then you have to look for this one, this swing high and this swing high. So level after level we have to watch. If the level is broken, then we have to wait for the next level for the support, and also vice versa, the resistance. Okay, yes, we have to wait and watch how nifty 50 is going to perform tomorrow. Today's TC is going to publish the result. Based on that, if the result is good, then at least as expected or above expected, definitely it will, market will take it as a positive. Then corresponding IT sector stock may show its positivity. Okay, so with that said, I hope you like this video. Please remember, I'm not recommending any stocks here to buy or sell. Please do your own analysis, and this video is purely for educational purpose. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching.